Okay.
I want two. Eyes.
Oh. What color is this? Red.
Eyes. What is the free?
Because we keep in fridge.
It's the boy.
Yeah. And do you think that what look like?
What's black? The black is the Elsa.
Look like the Elsa? And do you know what that's?
Eyes.
Ice ball, right? And they want to melt it. Sunny, do you like it? Sunny, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.